Hey Forge fans, so in November and December, we got you set up for 2024. We got vision boards done, we got goals done, we got time blocking, and in January, we had a great guest come in and talk about how to use video in your marketing. But in February, we're gonna take this to the next level.
Yes, my good friend Mustafa Sharafi is coming, and he trains agents all over the country with scripts and dialogues, managing objections. He helps you with your mindset because we get in our own heads and think, oh, I don't want to make these phone calls. He has proven methodologies on how to execute and get the appointment. And that, you guys, is what is the secret to making a 7-figure plus income. Making those phone calls, and feeling confident about it, having the scripts and dialogues. People pay a lot of money to train with Mustafa, and we're gonna offer that for free, so don't miss it. It's February 13th from 11:30 to 1 here at Summit Home Loans, and we'll see you there, okay?
That's
Bye.
right. Conversations turn into commissions, so we'll see you there.
Oh, I like that. See ya, bye.